Hello everyone, welcome to the Group 2 case study of Volkswagen of America. My name is Sai Sindhu and I am going to guide you through the presentation. My group members are Nagamanuj, Radesh, Manoj Kumar, Ajit Reddy. At first, I am going to start with the important facts of Volkswagen of America. The first Volkswagen automobile was designed by Ferdinand during 1930 in Germany. It has two groups of brands. One is Classes brand and other is Sporty brand. In 2002, it has 9 models. By 2008, it is increased to 22 models. Volkswagen of America has made a 10-year agreement with Perron System in 1992 to reduce the short-term IT cost. In the period 1940, the success model of the company was Beetle model. In 1969, Volkswagen has a high rate of sales. In 1999, Volkswagen of America has initiated e-business term to create innovative ways on how to interact with the customers. During the decade of 1992 to 2002, the executives of Volkswagen of America mainly focused to implement Volkswagen and Audi brands in the US market. Coming to the key issues, what are the activities done by the executives to extend Volkswagen and Audi brands in US? How Volkswagen can implement important IT which is wrong because of unclear business value and lack of funding? How to increase good governance and development process which benefits the company? Coming to the first key issue, what are the activities done by the executives to extend Volkswagen and Audi brands in US? The alternative course of action for these key issues are agreement with the Perron System, creating a new IT group Jadas USA, starting an e-business team. CAO evolution, agreement with Perron System. The pros are, it is responsible for maintenance and repair costs, operations and IT production management. It reduces the short-term IT cost. The internal IT staff is reduced. The cons are, results in the reduction of IT knowledge. Organization has no freedom to implement its own ideas. Creating a new IT group Jadas USA. The pros are, responsible for IT operations after expiration of existing contract. As it is an own subsidiary of Volkswagen of America Group, it can implement its ideas. It provides services to all the Volkswagen groups. The IT knowledge stayed within the organization. The cons are, external market rates are charged for Volkswagen groups. IT knowledge transfer from organization to this group. Starting an e-business team. The pros are, creation of digital marketing assets, new ways of customer interactions, development of relationship with the third-party providers situated at every vehicle distribution units. Cons, new IT employees have to be maintained. Among the course of actions, the recommended course of action is starting an e-business term, because in the period of 1992 to 2002, these differing groups are created for extending the Volkswagen and Audi brands. In the same period, internet usage has increased rapidly in the marketing activities and automotive sales. Interaction of organization with customers leads to new ways by implementation of e-business team. So this e-business team is recommended for the expansion of Volkswagen Group. Coming to the second key issue, how Volkswagen can implement important IT which is wrong because of unclear business values and lack of funding. Alternative course of action for these key issues are, redirect funding from other projects, new prioritization process, leaving issues up to supply for exceptional handling process. CAO evolution, redirecting funding from other projects. The pros for these evolution are, ensures funding for same projects. The cons are, the previously funding projects may get affected because of depletion in funding. Prioritization process may no longer be considered in funding projects. Business unit resistance. Reopen the prioritization process. Pros are, by optimizing the available funding, many projects can get funded. Fidelity program is developed. It develops software for supply chain. Cons are, the projects for global importance were not funded, does not follow the energy priorities properly. Leaving issues up to supply for. The pros are, business unit projects have priority, sticks to one prioritization process. Cons, global supply is not considered. Creating exceptional handling process. Pros are, setups are SFP, that is Foundation for Global Operations, and aligns with corporate strategy. Encompass other projects. Cons are, could deplete from other projects. Funding requirement is unknown. The recommended CAA from the among course of actions is exceptional handling process, because It helps the business unit's executive for supply flow to make an argument for funding the SCM projects from alternative sources. It recovers IT from recession and prepare a foundation for growth. Coming to the third key issue, how to increase good governance and development process which benefits the company. The alternative course of action for this key issue are creating an internal IT department. It assigns highly qualified project managers to govern the system in right manner. CFO evolution. Creating an internal IT department. The process, it makes the company strong in the field of IT sector, incorporate new technology in manufacturing cars of different styles, so it increases the market value of specific models. No need to keep alliance with any other IT service providers, which in turn saves some money. Cons for this CFO evolution is more staff has to be hired. Assigning highly qualified project managers to govern the system in right manner. The process, good governance leads the company in the right path. Good management stops investing money on the wrong projects. Experienced managers are more predictable in scheduling and managing things. We can resolve the problems more quickly. Use less time to complete projects effectively. Cons. It requires more time and effort to find the right person for this position. If the manager was not committed to his work, it affects the company in a bad way. Recommended CFO. Why? Separate IT department and qualified managers. Both the points above helps in good governance of the company, which leads to increase the profits of the company. If I were to build a company, I would have implemented both of them to keep my company in the top position, as they are the key points to be done. Either one of them brings the company to the high position. Thank you.